mFish and Fishcoin, a guide for fishers on how to document their catch and transfer a record. To document a catch and transfer a record, tap on Transfer Records. First, tap on the plus icon. Then tap on Send a new record. Choose the contact you want to send the new record to. Your profile will autofill. Check to make sure the information is correct. You can edit if different. For example, if you caught your fish in a different FAO fishing ground, you can select the correct fishing ground. Or, if you caught your fish using different fishing gear, you can select the correct fishing gear that was used. Next is the trip information. Type in the departure port. Then select the date of departure using the calendar. After entering the landing port, select the landing date. Next is the product information section. Tap on Add Species. Scroll through the species list and find the species you've harvested. If the species is a tuna, go to the tuna section, then select the species you have. You can add the weight of a batch of fish by typing in the quantity in kilograms. Then, you can add any information you want, such as typing in the number of fish, or the form, for example, whole or gutted, etc., just by tapping Add Info. When you have finished entering data, tap on Save to save the data. The species and additional info record will appear here in Product Information after being saved. You can edit or delete the record by tapping on the Edit icon or the Delete icon. If you have more than one species, click on Add Species again. In this case, the buyer also wants some of our yellowfin tuna that we caught on the same fishing trip. Here too, you can enter a batch quantity and then add additional info for each fish. For example, tag numbers and weights. After saving the species data entry, the record will appear underneath the first species. As before, you can edit or delete the record. Another option is to enter each fish separately. This can work for species like tuna if there's other information such as quality grade, etc. Next, enter the amount of Fishcoin tokens that the buyer of your fish has agreed to give you. Remember, one Fishcoin token is worth about $1 in mobile data top-ups. After entering Fishcoin, further information can be added to the record, such as certification details like an MSC number or more detailed information about the fishing ground. Once you have checked the information, click Send and then tap on Transfer to send the record to the receiver. The record will appear as pending in the Sent section. Tap on the record to review it. If there is an error in the sent record, you can scroll to the bottom and tap Delete. In the receiver's phone, the record will show as pending in the Received section. The receiver can tap to review the information and then tap Reject or Accept. If the receiver is happy with the information and taps Accept, they will need to tap on OK to send tokens. Once confirmed, the record on the receiver's phone will show a green tick. On the sender's phone, the record will also show as confirmed with a green tick. The record can be accessed by both sender and receiver. A unique batch code has also been generated, and this can also be used for traceability purposes. Great work! Now you know how to document your catch and send and receive the catch data records. The next video will show you how to redeem the Fishcoin tokens you have just received.